let's get to work. Let's fucking do this. That's not what I wanted. Let's put on some fucking music. Holy shit, it's Fergless. How's it going? The real one. How's it going, Fergless? Oh, really? Actually, what? Is there actually a tornado watch over there? Yeah, there is. Holy fuck. Ah, damn. Are you good? Is your house okay? Are you okay? I really shouldn't be laughing at that. So the house is gone. Are you okay though? Fantastic. My music might be a little too loud. Hold on. There we go. Let's see what I want to listen to. How do I want to do this? I'm trying to figure out how I want to do timing that is going to allow for a good server side, or no, client side, because of how timing works. It's, you know, kind of iffy. High ping could cause it to be an issue. I'm thinking just having the client set an attribute and then using a remote function to get that client's attribute for that module. Set network owner. What? Physics are either simulated. Calling or corner with no arguments and nothing will force the server to simulate the physics of the part. Otherwise, if there's a player instance in practice. What the fuck? How did you just know this? Following script fixes this by manually assigning the network. The script listens for the seat change. When the driver leaves the seat, okay. Okay, so fair enough. Oh, we got colon 3 hit the corner. Okay, so essentially what you're just saying is once I initiate the module, I just should set the network owner to the actual part that is going to be client side, basically. Yeah, okay. That's perfect, actually. Thank you. I guess, yeah, thank you. Okay, well, that means... Fuck, timing. Just gonna go ahead and make a new script out in game specific so that, relative to the actual like normal name to it, so I can just move it over to the game. Start game, and we're just gonna do local current diffuser equals nil. Set. Yo, hop in VC. All right. Yo, we got Furkos in the chat actually giving me a solution. That's awesome. He's still banned from the Discord. Do you want to add him back?
Yeah, I forgot. He's banned?
You banned him like several years ago because he kept on like driving people away. I don't.
7 years. Wait. Oh, was it like actually like 2019?
Yeah. Yeah. All right, get in here. we got an unbanned in chat. Let's go. Yeah, driving underage people away.
I mean, I already care. It's just that like I don't even remember what I don't even remember. How do I
Yeah, I got so sad because I remember you banned him and I was like, damn it, it's my friend.
Bro, I'm not gonna lie, I used to just like not give a fuck back then. I used to just like ban people like in 1.3 seconds. Bro, look, I still don't really have much patience today, but like nowadays, I mean, I care less because it's just a fucking Discord server. I don't give a fuck.
Yeah. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the server. So what Furcus is saying is that when we initialize timing, we can actually just set the part, like the network owner of the flashing part to the actual player, and then that will render on their client, while we still can get the server information from it.
I see. Okay.
Yeah.
I didn't think you could use set network owner like that. I thought it was like, I knew about set network owner, but it was like for I knew about it for like I don't know, like controlling objects or something, like whenever you, I don't know, like if you want to set your player to like a sphere or something, and you want to like have them control the sphere, I would like set network owner. I know you could do that. That's actually cool though. So we don't need like those like remote events for that.
No, and that might also mean we don't need remote events for Morse code, but I'll have to see that.
Yeah. Oh my god, bro! If we can get rid of that.
I would genuinely rewrite the code for that if given the chance to. Because it's in a way that the local client can read it, but only if they're cheating.
Yeah, because they get the message, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Because the client has to like decipher. I mean, it's gonna be like a very edge case that someone's gonna be able to like intercept the event and like fucking see the answer, but like. I think Loki might be more effort to do that, but I mean, yeah, I mean, if we can secure it, it's better.
Yeah.
Just out of principle.
I got the colon 3 going. It's feeling good.
Yeah, I saw it, bro. That's actually too peak. That is too peak.
You know, it's kind of hard to watch a coding stream, so I gotta get like some Subway
like
Surfers type shit.
The Subway Surfers, yeah, I was gonna say. Like we need like the cutting soap and like cutting like the fucking soap and dropping sand.
Yeah.
Like the satisfying videos.
I should just
like
I should just open up a.
By the way.
What thing?
Like the loading thing or like the transition animations.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I fuck with that. What? Okay.
It's just like to make it a bit more clean. I tried something.
Yeah, I can work on the profile template then for the XP.
Yeah, we need the XP. That's pretty much it. Like we need XP, and then we need to do like the badges and stuff. But that's really easy. Like we just need to handle. You have to just check which difficulty was just diffused, and then just give a badge.
Yeah.
It would be kind of awkward if we like released the update and it was like lacking like one of the features that was already in casual. That would kind of be awkward.
Oh, well, let's see here. What's the... Okay, it's just called light. Is that the, timing light? Yeah. Yeah, Loki, Furquist had been working hard on his fucking Roblox game himself. I'm proud of him.
He's working on something?
He did release a tower defense game.
Ooh.
And then he's, I think, working on an... Oh, actually, I'm not gonna... only if Furquist lets me say. Yeah, I'm not gonna leak it. Only if he wants me to say it.
Leak. Bro, I'm gonna be honest, I don't know what to do next.
That's valid as fuck. It's
I don't
mainly...
know what to do. I should probably work on modules, right? Because that's probably like, the thing that's gonna crunch us the most.
Yeah, it's definitely gonna crunch us. I'm writing timing while I'm here. I don't have much to do
If
on
we
the
actually
server
manage
end.
to release 10, if we actually manage to release 10, that might actually be LeBron. Like, if we actually manage to finish 10 in 2 weeks, that would be like the biggest lock-in. Like, this would be like 4 weeks of locked-in development.
I know I don't really have much to do on the main place, but I am kind of behind because obviously having a hand injury is not very ideal for programming.
Yeah. Don't worry too much about it. Like if it comes
Yeah.
down to it, I'll either like reduce the scope of the update or delay it.
Yeah.
I'll probably reduce the scope, because I do want to get it out. Like, and we're not like we don't necessarily like have to release like a giant update at once. Like, I mean, we're on good pace to be able to like release more in due course. Anyway.
Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna be amazing.
I mean, I'd like a good big update, but I mean it's not necessary.
You know what?
If
We'll
it's
go back
possible.
to the songs I listened to when I was like 8. What am I doing? Oh, I'm coding the fucking module. So local lights is equal to module wait for lights set network owner. All right, how do I do this? Local humanoid. Okay, that's not. Do they need a humanoid?
Use it like once, like a year ago. So I don't remember what the syntax is. For set network owner or something.
Looks gonna verify the physical nature when a client has ownership over a base part.
It's just
Okay,
a
so
player.
it can be a base part. So what? Yeah, part set network owner. What if I just like cast base part to it? Can I do set network owner? Yeah, I can. Okay, that's what happened. What's the parameters? Yeah, diffuser. Okay.
See this one needy, but I don't know what I'm gonna do with this still, but it does look kind of crazy.
Can we get another corner? I don't know.
Ooh. Whoa. It almost hit, bro.
Okay. Huh. Apparently there was another game that released module, another Catane game that sent. That's cool. It's dead though.
Yeah, I mean, probably. I mean, I think if it was not dead. Bro, there's another game called Diffusion, by the way. Like, what?
Well, it's another game, but it's I think it's based off of like Counter-Strike.
Yeah, it looks like a CS game. What the fuck? It has 2K CCU. What the hell?
Yeah, I know.
That's
It's kind of weird. It's not often you see a game with the same name that has like decent CCU on both of them.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks just like a Counter-Strike game because that's I think it's DE Cabin. It was like a Flying Scoutsman map mainly. Was it ever? Where's Plushy Cam? My bed is not made, so I don't want to show my bed. All right, so. So now how would this work? Am I just able to put like a script into it and then have it go change lights? Is that how it works? Furquus? Oh, did Furquus join the... Oh, I'll invite him to Polly. Get in here. I think you've unbanned him, right? I don't think I have permission to do that anymore. Okay. Well, I might actually be able to. Okay. Yeah, I can.
he not on band?
No, I could double check.
Yeah, he is. He is.
All right. So when I set the light network diffuser, or fuck. Now let's go ahead and take the light and then give it a script, maybe. Light changing. While task dot waits 1 do local lights equal. What's all the lights combinations we use for the module? For killer dot new I'm just gonna use, actually I could just like fucking go to the diffusal manual, find timing. White, red, yellow, green, blue. Electric blue, blue. Let's go. White, red, yellow, green, blue. White, red, yellow, green, blue. Okay. And that should be all. Okay. So it's changing colors. I don't exactly know if the client is reading that at the same time as the server, so we're just gonna have to do like stress test maybe.
Just make it so that whenever you click the button, it prints out like the current color
Yeah.
of the server. And just like click a bunch of times and see if it works. Also, I think I kind of want to make it so that the timing window is faster, like so it's like not completely and utterly trivial.
Yeah.
Because there's something about timing, it's just like it's called timing, but you don't really have to time anything. I mean, you do technically, but it's like you have like a fucking 30-year window to react.
Yeah. We should just add fucking timing windows to it.
Yeah, bro.
Just like you get a 300, you get a 50.
You have to do it like 4 times, and it like takes the average.
Yeah.
If it's like below a certain amount, you get a strike.
Okay. See with your eyes, my army floats. Oh.
I could work on some stuff. I'll do the UI for the leveling up after the game ends.
everyone dies. Look to the skies. Welcome to the stream. Yeah, let me just print that out on here, and then that should be fine. What the fuck? Oh, return diffuser, not get diffuser. I'm very good at my job. Ownership API cannot be called on anchored parts or when parts are welded to anchored parts.
Oh,
What?
Oh yeah, okay, never mind then. Yeah, yeah. Back it up then. Yeah, go back to local. Yeah, GG. Yeah, I was right then, basically. I was basically right because I thought it was only used for like controlling objects. Like I don't know, like the example I gave was like controlling like a ball around. Like I didn't know you could use it for like changing colors on like a part that's just there. But yeah, apparently you can't use it for that.
Yeah, it's part of the physics engine. That's why.
Yeah, it's a physics thing. Yeah. I thought it was a part of it, but like I thought it was like somehow you could use it for like other stuff, but yeah, apparently not.
Yeah.
Back to remote events.
Yeah. We love remote events.
It's not that bad, honestly. Like I said, the Morse thing is like such an edge case. Like no,
Yeah.
realistically, no one's gonna do that, and even if they do, I don't give a fuck, honestly.
Yeah, I'll just
It's
make
like
a
a
remote
bare
event,
bones of, like, ranked or
or
whatever.
honestly, remote function would be better here. Let me just go ahead and make sure we delete that so that we don't get errors. So my ass is making this a local script as well, because there's not a single reason for this to be a local script, or not a local script, because there's no physics being changed. I'm guessing Furquist just did that because, like, for his game, because obviously TDS has a high amount of physics that's happening. I could never find where I'm going in here. Like, I'm always, like, lost. I am still going to make it so that the module initializes when the player joins, just because that's a little bit more sensical. So we are not rewriting Morse. You know, I can't even be mad, to be honest.
You don't have to spend time rewriting Morse. No. No. We can actually spend our time doing other things and adding new features. No. Actually a tragedy.
I need to like stick to one genre. I can't be tapping the stream into Nanahira after playing fucking like Lorna Shore. That's
I have some playlists I could send if you want, but they're I don't know if you care. It's like a bunch of DMB and shit.
Yeah, I'll play Honesty first.
So, bro, I love rock and metal, but I cannot listen to that shit while I'm working. I cannot.
It depends. It depends on what genre of metal for me. Like if it's
black metal or like death metal.
Death metal's okay. I think it's more like I think the main issue is once it's like Melodeath is when I just can't work because I'm too busy like listening to the song.
Yeah.
Which sucks because Melodeath is the best genre, but
yes, I like that shit as well.
Still trying to figure out what I'm doing. There, fuck. That's what I'm doing. Okay. It's so easy to just like kind of like blank out when you're like trying to think of like how the fuck you're doing something. Especially when we have like a billion layers to everything. Not my autoclicker. God damn it. Actually, I don't need to do any special track for solve because the answer is kind of dynamic.
Add time remaining on the diffuse. I
Okay.
think it's pretty easy. I can just like get the timer from the locus script. No, like just index bomb folder. I don't think I need to like use the server for that.
What are you looking for?
Just the time remaining whenever you finish the bomb when you defuse it. Like it shows it on the screen.
Well, what we can do is if the module is detected to be done, we could just like send that to the client with our final.
Or can't we just add a parameter? We can add a parameter on the game over event, no?
Yeah, basically. Because it's still going through the game loop, and I can do something
Yeah.
in pop. Yeah.
I can't do that right now. I'll just do it. Event, time remaining. Script there.
That would appear that that is not doing anything. I probably
Find it,
should.
just add.
Why is that not working? Is that because...
Get bump time from bomb. Oh, there's literally just a para. Okay, there's just a function for that.
Alright, I also need to do an event. Actually, I need to figure that out. The server isn't seeing anything when I click that button.
Meaning is a string, I think. Let's see.
Well, I can figure out why it's not getting anything, because I'm not returning anything. Duh. You kind of need to pass the light parameter. That's kind of important. I still need to fix the local script, but oh well, it ain't doing anything. Is it not? Well, it's activating because it's getting the click event. If not solved, then... Oh, if solved, that's why. I'm stupid! Get attribute of table. That's because I'm not... I'll just do that. Maybe it's not happy that, tell the method get attribute of table.
Return current timer as well.
Module get attribute GUID. That's... should be fine. Usually if it has an issue with get attribute of table, it's something to do with... I'm doing something wrong, am I? works. That works on other scripts. Let me make sure I'm not like schizo right now. I'm just confused on why I'm getting an error here.
What's happening?
I'm getting an error for get attribute of table. Let me try bringing a module that I know that actually works to make sure nothing got fucked up.
Doing though for timing.
Yeah, I'm just getting a weird bug. So I'm gonna move over binary and see if I get the same issue. I don't, which means something is wrong with whatever I'm doing. Which, hey, I'd rather figure that out now, but then beat my head against the table. What? Oh, that's because it's triggering on the get answer. Maybe I drag binary back. And maybe I try to get answer now. Okay, that's fine. It's like I step away for a day and I forget what I'm doing.
Momentum is a real thing, bro.
Do I have anything wrong with how we have it set up? No, everything looks right. So, get color, invoke player, client, player, or like, how would I do this? I'm going to back this off. Local color equals check solve. You know, it's kind of funny. You kind of need to pass the actual module to check for the fucking get attribute.
All it takes is like a single dry run and you realize you just made the stupidest mistake ever.
Yeah. I need to do the
like I found some bug with Simon Says earlier. It wasn't working. So first I was like, oh my god, the buttons aren't working. So I went into the model and I saw that the click detectors had a max activation distance of 32 studs. So I changed that, and then it didn't work again. So I checked what's happening in the code, and I saw that one of the states, which was can press for the colors, for the color handlers, was not even like in the table. Like wasn't even like like it was checking for a can press color, and it just didn't even exist. So it was just giving a stupid shit.
Yeah.
I thought something fucking catastrophic happened because you had finished it and it was working, and then just suddenly it doesn't work when you import it. It's like kind of scary.
Yeah. The fact that I even made this to work pretty well for even just like transferring between the two games, I'm pretty happy with it.
Yeah, it's actually very smooth.
Yeah,
very smooth, yeah.
There's not many issues with transferring it over. You just move over the module and the script, but
yeah.
there are probably going to be some that are going to have to be in the engine. Like I think Jammer might be honestly the one where we just have to do it in engine.
Yeah, I mean that's just the only thing that's a problem with that, like, quote unquote, a problem is like you just need like an event for that. I mean,
Yeah.
I don't think it's a big deal, even that. I mean, you can't test it really in that. So like yeah, I guess that you have to do with an engine because of that, but not because it's like some complicated thing.
Virgo said he's still banned. Let me look again.
You are not banned anymore. I unbanned your Furcus account.
Well, he's not in the stream, I don't think anymore. But let me look. It's...
He's not banned unless he has some other account.
Well, if he had another account and it had the set to IP ban, then if we had it, it would still unban his account because he got unbanned.
Yeah, I don't know.
Let's see. Yeah, he's just saying he's banned. He can't join.
You can literally check the bans list and also the audit log. I think you can see.
Yeah, he sent a screenshot. It says it literally does say he's banned.
I removed the ban, so I don't know.
Yeah, it says in the audit log you removed the ban.
I don't know. Maybe there's like a cooldown. I don't know. The server has like a relatively high like verification level, so I don't know.
I'm telling him to restart Discord. Oh, he did. What the fuck? I don't know. Discord's always terrible.
Never had to deal with something like this, so I don't know how to even approach it.
Let me look this up. User is still banned after I am Discord. Yeah. Bans. There's a surprising number of bans, actually.
Yes, bro. I mean, if there are people that are just like really annoying, I just ban them.
Yeah.
I don't give a fuck about like kicking people because I just rejoin. I just don't want to deal with shit, bro. Like I just don't want to fucking
That's
deal
fair.
with that. My job isn't to be like a fucking community manager, bro.
Honestly, I won't even. I think removing a decent chunk of these bands would probably fix it, but I don't feel like it. A lot of those bands are like years ago.
I would be careful though, because some of those
Yeah.
are like genuinely like actually like racist people or like the raiders and stuff like that. I don't wanna fuck with that.
Alright, so let me think. We got our. We need to make our answer first. Do you have the new manual created for okay, I'll look at it.
It should be the same, but yeah. So if you want to look at the one on the diffuser manual, it should be the same.
Yeah.
Just like some wording differences.
Manuals. Timing. Alright. Local. Let's do local lights is equal to. We're gonna do 59 brick color dot. Oh. What's the second number? 99? Okay. 99 is equal to that. Yellow. $1.99. God, I love dictionaries. There's nothing that makes me happier than a dictionary. Or 99 is equal to new yeller. Then $5.99 is equal to really red. And then yeah. Answer 1 is equal to institutional white. 4 light local. Two pairs. I could just do the mathematics code that I have that is kind of silly. But it works. Because timing is just mathematics 2.0.
Yeah. It's just like it's just mathematics with an extra gimmick, basically.
Yeah. But it also only gets, actually, how about this? Maybe we don't do that, maybe we just do, numbers equals do another dictionary, I guess. 4 is equal to A. Is equal to B. Seven is equal equal to 9, or fucking C. I kind of wish Roblox allowed for like more like adult themes that aren't like complete adult themes, you know, like smoking or like drinking.
Yeah, I mean they do, but yeah, they're like
Really strict on it, and gambling most importantly. I really wish they.
You know, gambling is cooked, but like I think those themes are good, but you need to have like the game set to 17 plus. I think.
Yeah, but they don't even let that happen anymore.
They don't.
No, they used to.
Brother. Okay. Yeah, there was like a period of time where I knew that. I'm sure that was possible. I mean, let's see if this works. This should just work, but I don't know. Let's see.
Maybe. Maybe you do it like this. We just do like A equals A equals 4 equals 3 C equals 7 and D equals 9. I want a lower combination to make the lower end of the spectrum for it possible, or like more likely, because it's almost always in like the higher range.
Yeah, go ahead,
so I'm thinking we make an E, and then E's like 1.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
I can do that actually real quick. Manuals. Here. Just add another row here. A5. Put that E. And row 2. Gotta love working with GUIs.
Yeah.
There you
And then that way we can get the lower ones, because one of the biggest things timing struggled with was
like white doesn't appear like ever, yeah.
white. Well, white only appears on a really stupidly high roll, and then you would almost always get like somewhere like yellow or blue or red. You won't ever get like the lower ones, because it's just unlikely.
Like a 99 times 15 or something.
Yeah.
It's white.
Well, not even 15, because it wouldn't have been possible to get 15.
Oh yeah, because I mean, but there are 2 pairs, right? Like,
yeah, it's 2 pairs.
14, yeah, 14, whatever. Yeah, if there's the 5, there's not a 5. Speaking ahead, an IQ too high.
Well, not even then. We're now just adding 1, so like the lowest you would have been able to get was like a 33.
Yeah. You know, it could be like. What can it be like? 11 times. Would it be 11 times 11? I'm sure that would be the lowest you could get. But what if you add like a 0? Is that cooking or cooked?
I don't know.
Because you would get like 1-digit numbers like that. Not up to you, it's just an idea. But you'd have to like have the same logic as mathematics to like make sure that it's like ED, that it gives a 9 and not like it doesn't like fuck up. Although yeah, I mean if you print to number 09, it does give a 9. So How do you feel about that?
Um,
You prefer it as a 1?
sorry, I blanked out.
No, I was asking if what you would think about E being 0 instead of 1.
E being 0 instead of 1. I think so. I think I think 1's fine.
Alright.
Yeah.
Oh my god, bro. My sleep schedule has been so bad lately. I woke up at like 1 p.m. today. I slept at 5 a.m. or some shit. Like it was chopped.
Yeah.
Because I only have lectures on like Wednesday and Thursday this week because there's a public holiday on Friday. I really like this, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I really like the transition animation. It looks.
Yeah.
It feels like more polished, the game. We need more beginner modules, bro. Fucking hell. I might just work on a beginner module real quick.
Yeah, go for it. Yeah, just make one up.
Bro, like I hate, because I test with beginner a lot because it's easy to finish, and
Yeah.
like every single time I spawn a beginner bomb, it's just 2 buttons or 2 tiles or a button and a tile. Like it's just so boring. Like this is
I
like
know.
nothing. It's just fucking nothing. Because there's just 2 beginner modules only, pretty much. Wait, is there a :3 emoji bouncing on the screen? We need something to keep people's attention. We're content maxing out here. Oh, what just happened? Why did I call get bomb time from bomb? Like I didn't even want to get that. Get formatted bomb time. I made a new method for it. Let's see how now it should work. I just want to test if when you diffuse it, it gives you the time at the end. It should work. It's like all I need is just to pass it. Oh yeah, 2 buttons. Wow, what a spectacular spectacle. Bro, I don't fucking remember any of the menus. I've been testing this shit for like, I probably have like 15 hours testing and I just cannot remember anything. It's actually like 0 down. That's not what that's just what I did. Fuck.
Alright, I have a way to set the answer now.
I didn't even check. Oh my god, I wasn't even looking. I wasn't even looking.
Ever hearing my voice on recording makes me want to apologize to the unfortunate person who has to talk to me.
Oh. It's not that bad, bro. What are we talking about?
No, I was just reading off something. But that is the case, to be honest.
Oh.
a pretty annoying voice. Alright, let's see. Well, yeah, it's kind of hard to get the answer if the light changing thing is not working. I need to make a event called timing lights, and then we are just going to go.
Oh, it worked. Okay. I guess it worked.
Listener.
Wait, that's not the right time. How's that even possible? Bruh. 7. 442. No, okay, it's giving me the time of the difficulty. Like what? That's weird. Bomb timer.
Hello?
Us.
Why is it not behaving? And then global timing light. Timing lights, goddammit.
Did the start game have the time? Hold on, I'm trying to see where the time is stored. Where's the time of the bomb stored? So I checked bomb timer and timer just returns like the initial time of the bomb, like when you spawn it.
Yeah.
But where do I get it? Like the actual like running time of the bomb, like how it is right now.
Actual running time. There you could just go ahead and make a function of. So there's in bomb timer module, like the bomb timer module,
Yeah.
there's a return timer. You could just make a listener and attach a remote function to it.
Current timer, yeah, but the timer is like wrong though. It's like the one that it's like when it starts the game. Like when I spawn a beginner bomb, it has 5 minutes, but it ticks down. Like I want to see what it is when I finish defusing, not when it is when it started.
Then in game start, when
Okay.
when on a win, what you can do is you can attach, like you can just like return, like, or like set a
Where
finish
is
time.
Yeah, but where is it? Where is the time being stored at?
Here, let me open up the game real quick on this monitor.
I'm trying to find it. Like I actually can't find where it is. I thought it
So
would be a bomb timer.
we get the timer. Oh well, we actually don't get the timer from it. But here's what. Let's do here. So if it's we're gonna go ahead and make a local diffuse timer is equal to 0. We'll just do that. And then if after our game is diffused, we can do diffuse. Fuck.
I'm just passing it down here.
Timer
right now, so
is equal to timer return current timer, and then damn. And then you could just handle with that variable.
Why can I not just do it down here? Like because
Well,
did something like here, and
Yeah, you can do that as well.
it didn't work. That's why I'm confused, because it just gave me 5
So
minutes. Like,
get formatted bomb time is called when the bomb is initially started. There's a because it's based on a local. That's based on getting like the actual bomb time like for that difficulty. You want to do get current time.
okay.
Return current. That's what you want.
This thing. It still uses timer, that, so I'm a bit skeptical, but blue 7.
Also, the bomb timer. This bomb timer is called.
No, it doesn't work. It doesn't work like that.
Yeah, because it's getting clear. The bomb timer is getting cleared before that code runs. So we want to do this. Local time left after solve. Bam. And then.
Yeah. Do formatted. Do formatted. So I don't have to do it later. And left after. Okay. Let's see.
Well, the formatted time is not going to help.
It's still timer, no? Like I'm just passing timer through the converter.
Well, I'm pretty sure that function is just to get the formatted time.
I made that. No, I made that function.
Okay. Oh, you made that? Okay. I thought
Yeah.
thought it was interfering. I thought it was my other function.
No, I mean, because the return current time returns timer, like the.
Okay. Okay.
So
Yeah,
all I
no.
did with that function is just like pass timer into the function that like converts
Okay.
it. So
Okay.
I have the string.
Okay.
Pink and yellow is 8. Okay, so it's 419. Let's see. Oh, it still gives me 5. What the fuck is that, bro?
Hold on. Let me look. Where?
Where's the time being stored? Like, I'm so confused. Like, where is the time? If it keeps giving 5. Is it changing? I think it has to be like changing back or whatever.
Let me go to bomb timer.
What time does countdown?
Return timer. Well, let me make sure we
Oh, it's
are.
because it's in a coroutine. I think that's why. Because I think it's separated from everything because it's a coroutine.
No, that shouldn't affect anything because
It doesn't.
no, because I have to get the time in the game loop.
It is.
The game loop already is
Timer
getting time.
moving here. Or is it I? Because if you go in bomb timer, the countdown thing is using I equals timer, and timer is the start, but in reality I is the one that's ticking.
Because I get returned current timer. So let's make sure I'm not clearing it before. So active false. Set active mod. Set active false. Let's look at bomb strike module. Make sure I'm not doing anything crazy. Nope.
No, the time is here. No, I found it. I found where it is. It's here. It's in the countdown. But the problem is that timer is like the initial value, but the actual time is like the for loop, initiated. Like the I variable.
The coroutine shouldn't matter because it's
No, it's
still
not
just.
about the for. No, it isn't the coroutine. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
But it's I, so I have to get it from I. I don't know how to pass this.
Well, no, the timer is, I'm pretty sure, updated from... The timer is updated with I.
I don't see anywhere where it is, honestly. Timer equals time? Initialize? Where is it?
For I is equal to timer... Okay,
Is it
For
called
I.
later? Like,
How the okay, how
where,
do I
like,
make
I'm
this?
I'm confused. Like,
No, I'm confused as well. That... Okay, let me test to see if the game actually
It stops when the time goes down. I think you're right.
Yes. So wait, set the beginner to like 10 seconds. Hold on.
Yeah.
Fuck, where is it? Server storage.
Yeah, servers.
Difficulties.
Yeah.
Beginner.
It's in. It's
It's
in.
in
It's
script. It's in
in.
script. There. Oh fuck.
It's.
Shit, where? Configs.
Yeah, it's
Game
in
configs. There it is,
configs.
okay. Oh my god. I have to get used to this though. 0 minutes, 10 seconds. Okay, it's done.
Because I actually don't think I tested this condition. I just copied it from the old game.
It just
but-
doesn't. It just doesn't like fucking explode.
Okay. That's good news. Because I must have fucked up something. Yeah. Let me go ahead and let me just go ahead and set timer. Well, let me do in temp.
So it explodes.
Oh, it does explode.
Yeah, it does. It does. Timeout. Warn. Where does this come from? I don't know where is it being passed. Like I just don't know where it's being passed right now.
Also, it just doesn't like explode, which is kind of funny. Did I forget to set explosion?
No, because I made it I made the screen turn black like as soon as it explodes.
Oh.
I might just remove the explosion, honestly. 'Cause the explosion looks kind of lame, I'm gonna be honest. Because like the bomb just like stays there and there's just like a big explosion.
I think the explosion should still like happen, but it doesn't have to be like a main focal point. Because like it's a bomb.
Yeah.
Or like instead of making it an explosion, make it like a sound, like an
Just
explosion
hear the-
sound. But like
That's what's happening, yeah, that's happening.
just yeah, make it an explosion sound, but instead of like like changing the screen immediately, just like make it like immediately like flash black in your face. And like stop the explosion sound afterwards, like midway through.
Oh yeah, okay.
So like in like Buckshot Roulette, how like the gun, like when you get shot
So
at it, you'll
it feels like you just died, yeah.
yeah, you just basically just die.
Yeah.
We're back to Lorna
You're
Shore.
gonna make it
Whatever.
shape.
It really wants to play Lorna Shore for stream, and only stream. When I actually want to listen to Lorna Shore on my own, I don't get actual Lorna Shore. Yeah, because it's getting called during bomb timer, return current timer. So it's getting called in here, or time left. So that should work. Let me try the return current time. Let me just... My ass is not solving it in 10 seconds, but... 7, 2. My ass solved it.
Solved it in 10 seconds, actually going to...
So it is reporting 10. So it's getting reset before... What's happening is it's getting reset before it does anything with it. Because if I print out in the console the...
Where's it, when is it reset? Like when does it get reset?
I don't know. I wrote the code.
Because why would you set it back to the time? Maybe it's for revives. You did that.
Yeah, it's revives. That's why.
That like it goes back to the beginning. So honestly, this might just be easier if I just index the text from the bomb, like from the timer.
Oh, what?
I
It's
could
just
do-
printing
I could
300.
do that.
What? Okay, no, it is just printing out like one single fucking. Okay. Yeah, let me figure out how is it figuring. Oh, because that's how I don't actually check for the timer in here. I just blow up the bomb if the timer is set to is active false. So let me fix that. So bomb timer. We're just gonna go ahead and because that's why that's why it still works in the game, is because it just does that. So temp timer is equal to timer. We're gonna set timer to temp timer, and then we're going to do timer equals I, and then that should work. Sorry. Here, I'll bring it over here for the stream. We were debugging something. my shoddy code that works because I imported it from the old game because I needed something to work temporarily from the old game. I love temporary fixes that become permanent solutions. And now we have start game 173 is airing out.
Good, yeah.
Were you working on 173?
I was
before?
doing something. Hold on. What's that?
Oh, no, we're fine. We're fine. You fix it.
It could be because you started like midway through.
I did. So let me just do easy, or let me do beginner. I just realized I did show the code, but whatever.
By the way, I did detonate the bomb, but let me know if that's what you were talking about.
Yeah, 291. Okay, it's getting the right one now. So now we format it.
Yeah, try detonating the bomb, see if that's what you imagined.
Let me edit the code real quick.
I need to stop strike as well. That's what I need to do.
Get formatted bomb time. That's what you want? Yeah.
Hold on. Workspace.sounds. I'm almost done. Where that sounds? Wait for a child. Strike. Stop. Okay. Should be done.
Oh, wait. What is yellow again? I think yellow is 3. No? 8? Fuck. No, yeah, I'll revive. Why is revive not working?
The
What-
detonation
what-
thing.
No product defined for product ID. Did we not? Okay, you moved it over to the old one. Okay.
Yeah, I moved it to the new, yeah. Because there's like revive test or something. I don't know.
Yeah, I put that in there because I wasn't sure if you would get the receipt. I was doing something with the purchase handler because it wasn't fully working.
Okay.
So I wasn't sure if I couldn't get the receipt because it was off a different place.
Okay.
No text. That's 1, 2, 3, 4 up. Yep. Hit everything but the right ones. I'm not learning the modules. I'm just going through them. Yellow is down. No, yellow is 1, 2 down. 3, 4. Oh, fuck.
First strike ever played. Hold on.
7. Timer remaining 4:52. Okay. Yep, it's working now. But you might wanna make it so it doesn't look like a little. Yeah, we have 2 billion Robux. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, bro. I wish. I fucking wish.
I wish.
I wouldn't be making this if I had 2 billion Robux, bro.
If I had 2 billion
Chilling
Robux.
all day.
How much is that in USD? I think that's like.
2 billion? That's like has to be like millions of dollars.
That's definitely a million.
No, it's definitely like for sure. It's like millions and millions. I have a dev exchange. Hold on.
It would be 7.3 million.
Yeah, bro. I would not be working on that. I would be chilling in my villa.
That's enough to buy a
Making-
really nice house in your country. And a really nice house in any country, really.
In any country, bro. Like that is not like.
But
that is
especially
not
in your
like-
country. I looked at the prices, dude.
Yeah.
Even 100K would get you like a very nice house.
Here, no.
No? Did it increase?
No. It's like, bro, it's actually like land is like really expensive here. Like, I mean, you could
I
get a really
guess,
nice
yeah.
house for like five, like no, for like, bro, a really nice house probably be like 700K plus. Like it's not.
Yeah,
it's not
you mainly have like apartments.
Yes, apart. Like we just don't have space for like entire
Yeah.
homes.
I live at my parents' house, which is 10 acres of land, which
Oh my god. Yeah,
I don't know how many
that
10
would be,
acres
like,
is.
That would be like probably millions here, because nobody has fucking enough. Nobody has land to fucking throw around, bro.
Yeah. Well, I don't even know how much my parents paid for it, but
Probably like 10 cents, bro. Depending on how old your parents are, probably paid like $10 for that shit. A pack of rice and some sheep. That's for that.
Yeah.
Just pull yourself up by your bootstraps.
You know what? We'll put on Himeneda.
I'm trying to figure out where strike is ever like the sound of the strike is ever played. Like I'm trying to figure it out.
Bomb strike module.
Okay. Strike.
Also, just a tip for you.
Yeah.
If you ever want to see where the strike sound is played, just do Control Shift F.
Yeah, that's what I did. Like
And
I did
then-
strike, and like I barely even see anything. Like,
I would just search for like play.
yeah, there's nothing. This returns nothing.
Eh?
That's why I was confused. Like,
How the fuck am I playing the sound then?
yeah, I have no idea. I have I mean, that's why I'm asking.
Coroutine, strike event, fire all clients.
That's probably it.
So
And then the client, but the client would have to show that as well. They have to play it as well.
strike event, yeah, sounds, wait for child, strike, play.
Okay. Wait for child.
I really should make some kind of like audio handler just so that we don't have to deal with like how I'm doing it right now, but it's like not at launch maybe.
Yeah.
Oh, let's see here. What else do we got to do? Timing is.
I'm gonna do that on the server. 'cause
Oh wait,
don't-
I just realized I was testing timing. What the fuck was I doing? I was so focused on helping you that I just kind of stopped forgetting it.
My bad.
No. Expected end at line 141. Yeah, I see.
It's gonna be like dramatic as fuck when you die now. Like, it just feels like you actually just died. Oh shit! Wait, that actually is speak. No, that's actually kind of fucked. Like you're actually deceased, bro. Like this deafening silence.
Yeah.
So you still get to see the explosion, but like it gets cut off after like 0.3 seconds.
I don't see where I am missing a end. Local function, we just do that. Oh, I see. Yeah, it turns out I can't add do to the end of my fucking function.
What the fuck am I doing?
Oh yes.
Co-routines. What would we do without them? Dude, if we did... I don't know how our game is working without co-routines.
Yeah, bro, I'm gonna be honest. I have no idea. Kind of just like I think it's just that we wrote it with them not working with coroutines and wines. Like it's just like there's a bunch of like logic that makes sure that that handles if they hang or.
We do it all in one loop. That's what we do.
Yeah, it's fucked. Yeah, it's really fucked.
Like, the game is so inefficient. I don't know how the crash rate is so low.
Yeah,
like
it works, bro.
I guess I think the memory usage for this game is higher, which is surprising.
I mean, because there's like a lot of logic that's like there for future use.
That too.
And it's also just makes our life easier. Like, I don't really give a fuck that it's higher.
Usually in studio for casual, for like regular casual, I'm getting like 1.9. Yeah, I'm getting 2.5 here. But 2.5 is not bad considering. One, this is a test build. We still haven't fully completed everything. But a lot of our memory usage is not even like. From the game, it's from Roblox's services. So I think it's because we're using a lot more like recent features of the that we're getting more memory usage.
Yeah, could be.
But theoretically, crash rates should
using more meshes.
Yeah, the crash rate will be lower anyway because of we're doing a lot more safer programming.
I mean, it's not just about memory. I mean,
yeah.
Like I mean, bro, like I don't know how many devices have like 2 gigs of memory anymore. Like what is that?
Although Roblox is coming to smart TVs, but I do not plan on adding the game to smart TVs.
Smart TVs. That's fucking. It's basically just console, no smart TVs.
Yeah, it's basically console, but like. I know games can opt into it, but like, how the fuck are we gonna be able to get a game working for smart TV?
Why would you even want to play a game on like genuinely? I have no idea what the fuck we're doing.
Like, yo, bro, hop on your TV. We gotta play Defusal.
Like, bro, like in genuine, like, what is the target audience for that? That's my actual question. Like, what is the target audience for making it available on smart TV?
I could see some games, like mostly number go up games.
Maybe, yeah, maybe. Like big incrementals.
Or like something.
I want to work on an incremental one day.
I
was gonna make a planet incremental.
Incrementals are fun to make, but like they never get any traction. I fucking love incrementals. Back again. What did you miss? You probably missed a :3 going into the corner, but I can't tell you for sure.
Cannot verify this information.
But this is definitely not. Yeah, why would you skip class for it?
Why would you skip? Why would you, bro? What do we have next?
Like what do we ping dev stream? That's not a requirement to come in here. Watch the VOD.
Yeah, you can just watch the VOD.
Your education's worth more than watching us play around in Roblox Studio. I'm not an entertaining streamer. I mean, I could like. Do we need like a Minecraft speedrunning break? Like, I'll do a single run. After I get timing done, I'll do a single run. All right, for your entertainment. And then we'll go back to Roblox Studio. I am also washed. Why is that not like? Oh, because I actually haven't called the. Uninitialize. I haven't set the event. No, do it. Every day, every day.
I delete these Simon Says measures. There's already the one in the main game, so I don't know. We need both of these. this one. This one just in case. Binary I can definitely delete. I just want to remove the bloat.
Alright, so we're gonna do timing, lights, fire, all clients, lights. Alright, what's the... I don't actually have the light set. Local light is equal to... Wait for child light. Am I doing something with that? Nope. Alright, so you're going to fire all clients and that should work. Peak comedy in this channel, switch needy, resistor being stretched, plushy cam, khaki. Yes, exactly. We got comedy. 142, attempt to index null with brick color. On event listener. Event light dot brick color is equal to light color. That worked in the previous. In pairs lights. So it's going through this. Do I have another thing calling lights at all? No, we don't have light dot brick color is equal to light color. Well, I kind of have to. Yeah, I kind of have to call it light color to actually have it figure out what it's doing.
Wait, the button is
no.
like fucked. Wait, what's the answer? Hello. It's 3 up, no? 3 down, I mean. If the button says nothing, no. If the button is red, no. The button does not have text, which it doesn't. Click 3 times. Yeah, what if I push it 6?
In terms of index null with brick color.
Oh, that's wrong. That's wrong. The button
Am
is
I
fucked.
not? So return or base part coroutine. So am I just how am I doing this? So let's go here. It might be turning nil because module wait for child light, which we are doing. So we are then sending it over to timing lights. What in the world are we doing? Event listener function light base part. Let's call it instance instead of base or that. And then like let's just like print light dot name. This intent to index null. Okay, so we have a nil call. Let's just make sure I'm not doing something stupid. Light in timing. Okay, let's look here. Module is equal to instance. So we get the module instance. We wait module wait for child light. Which that should be right. Yeah, there's a light here. So we would have gotten error. It will eventually hit the corner, you know. So I feel like I'm light. Let's just do this. Okay, I'm not overwriting anything. Timing lights, fire all clients, light. So that should be the actual object we're giving it, right? So let's just fire a module as the instance, and then... No, let's do light, because I care only for the light. Print light.name. Let's see if I actually get... Yeah, light in server. So something's happening with my call, which is telling me when I fire all clients, timing lights, fire all clients, which I'm doing. pairing it with the light. Why?
What's happening?
Oh no, I'm just like, it's when I'm passing this object to the client, it just kind of breaks. I don't know.
The light object?
Yeah, the light instance here, I'm passing it through the
I don't know if it yeah, I don't think it likes instance passing.
well, it works with the modules. Like that's how I do it.
Try base part, yeah.
Well, base bar was originally what I did, but it's saying this is not.
It's nil, right? Yeah.
Yeah, it's nil. Let me look at the. Let me look at
passing
Flash.
What if you just pass? What if you just print light? It's just gonna be nil as well. Yeah. Attempt to index nil with brick color. Yeah.
So it's getting nil somehow. Timer lights on client event connect function. Cause like Morse Flash, that just does its own thing. Let me look at the way I did Morse real quick. Like I said, you step away for a day and now you immediately don't know how to code. Morse Flash Flyer, all clients, module, wait for child, flash. Yeah, that should be fine. Why are you nil?
Is that instance? Yeah, I don't know.
Let me do fine first child, maybe. Oh no, that wouldn't change anything, because it still sees that there's a light part.
If you print, what if you print light here? I mean, I'm gonna warn light. Yeah, it gets light. Okay, so it has, you know.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's on the server, but it can't pass it. Let's search it up.
Yeah, that's so weird. What?
It says to exist in a place accessible to all clients. Oh, is it because it's not accessible? Like, is it somehow not accessible?
That shouldn't be the case, because it's getting placed
It's in a
into-
workspace.
It should be, the module is always going to be placed into... The fuck?
The client might receive the event before the instance fully replicates. No.
Is that because of how I did it, where I set it to wait for child, like player joined, and then... Let me do that. Let me go to our server here, and like just move this back to where it was.
Both events do not pass instances. Okay. Wait, they can? Wait, what the fuck are we talking about? This guy just wrote misinformation on the.
Yeah, because we were literally doing that.
Yeah, this guy just wrote misinformation.
Alright, I just...
Pass instances, but they have to be visible by both the client and the server. Yeah.
Alright, and now I'm going to...
Someone should report this guy. Like, why would you just confidently type out misinformation? Please.
Let me just like task.wait this shit and see what happens. Maybe it's something to do with how I'm initializing it on the server. Okay, it's working. It's working. Okay, no, it was a change I did to the server. So I need to click it on white, and then that works. Okay. We're balling. Now let's go back to 3. Let's run it again. I also need to change the text before I'm fully done with it. So I need to do this on red. So if I do it on any other color, that's bad. If I do it on red, we're good. Fuck yes.
Is there a reason where it takes like 10 seconds for it to start like?
Oh yeah, because I did a test out wait here because the player joins before after the module is initialized, so that it never gets the client event. That's why I initially had that task.wait 7 into the code for...
Oh, for the Morse.
Yeah. And just forgot to remove it. Let me go ahead and make it so that the color actually changes, and we're pretty much good.
Yeah, the color, make it change a bit faster.
Or not, or, well, we can do the color changing faster, yeah. I meant to do the text,
yeah. 0.5, yeah, 0.5. Because it's way too easy, bro.
Alright, how's Jao doing? It's always gonna be close to the corner. It's definitely gonna hit the corner. Like, it started off in the corner. So, like, it's guaranteed to hit the corner.
I wouldn't be surprised if it hit the corner like once or twice and nobody was watching.
I wouldn't bait you out with a impossible corner. I need to make code, like, a entire code to make it so as soon as it hits a corner, it just, like, gets a corner count.
Oh my god, so close, bro. Yeah, corner count. Oh! Oh my god, it was so close, bro. What the fuck? It was like fucking edging. Whatever,
bro. Alright. You know what? Let me open up Prism Launcher just so that I can get my MCSR updated, and then we can do a run once I get this text updated. I have D-ranked so much in MCSR because I have not played in a while.
I was gonna start running at one point, but then I realized it was like way too much of a headache, and I know nothing about Minecraft, so this is not a good idea for me to start off speedrunning.
It's my runs are very inconsistent. I sometimes have a god run, and I sometimes just have a really shitty run.
Yeah. Bro, by the way, that's a new thumbnail that I added. It was doing really well, and now all of a sudden it's doing worse. Like,
oh,
like I don't know what's happening, bro.
EACB,
I don't know what's wrong with that. With like the click-through rate of people who play these types of games. Like, it's just like lower. Like, it's just low.
Alright. Let me just set up my settings. Let's go. F3 rebind, get that on, and then all of these.
I think I might just pop out a module.
Let me... Yeah, that works. Alright, start a match, create a room. Oh, I didn't actually D-rank, what?
You might only D-rank if you're in netherite.
Maybe. I'm only
I don't
golden,
know if there's
so...
natural D-ranking.
I know there used to be. Watch me
there
get a...
There definitely is for netherite. Like, if you,
Yeah.
in netherite you definitely D-rank. Like, decay. Get some yogurt, bring it back.
Oh, village seed. These are my best seeds. Oh god! Oh, hold on, my DPI is wrong. That would have been sad. Holy fuck, I'm rusty. I'm not used to this DPI anymore. Oh. I still have to kill this guy though. Actually, no, I don't. I got 7 iron. Do I want... yeah. Yeah, I'll kill him, just in case. If I got shears, it would be a lot easier for me to win. Oh, and I got the... Oh. Yeah, let's do that. Oh, where's some food? Is there no hay bales in this village? Is this village broke? I think this village might be broke. That's fucked. This might be a reset, to be honest. This is a reset. I didn't even realize there's no food in this village. DC, okay. I need flint. Where the fuck is flint? Holy fuck, I must be rusty as fuck, because I don't have any planning anymore. Like, genuinely, yeah, this seat's unplayable either. Let me FF so I could change the seed settings. If I don't get it by another, like, 3 runs, I'm just going to go ahead and go back.
Select. So, I make a badge handler.
badge handler? Okay. Might also need to start plastering around telemetry, like funnels and shop configs. Cause we need to also figure out our
Like biggest churn points. Stuff like that.
yeah, churn points and how often like a player is incentivized to buy the revive, because like low key revives are the only way we're gonna make money now. Unless we eventually start like actually doing some monetization, but I don't necessarily like the idea of aggressive monetization.
No, I wouldn't say aggressive. Yeah, it's just like more of it. 'Cause
Yeah,
it's
more
like,
of it.
more options. More options is a nice way to put it. Because like,
Yeah.
you know, even like right now, even if you wanna like, even if there was, if I was a player that was like, I love Diffusal and I have $1 billion and I want to give them all to Diffusal developers, like, you can't even really do that. Like,
No.
and nobody's gonna go on the donate page and just like spam 10k Robux. Like, no one's gonna do that.
No.
There just needs to be more content
I do have
that is monetizable.
I do have that profile, like that setting for the donate stuff, so that we can get donate leaderboards. But
Oh yeah, yeah. Do that as well.
what am I doing? That's what I'm doing. I'm actually trying to mine and craft or something like that.
Get it, guys. It's the
Yeah,
title of the game.
it's the title of the game. I had a huge like phase of like Hypixel Skyblock when like which was also another point of like really poor development time. There was a one girl I met on Hypixel Skyblock that I was somewhat close to. Never asked her out, and I'm low-key happy I didn't, because I got I found her Twitter a couple years later. Turns out she's now doing like lewd cosplay.
Oh. Yeah.
Yeah.
Those individuals may be nice to look at, but they're not nice to talk. Nice to be with.
Yeah.
I would not want to be with someone like that. Although a lot of them are like nice people. It's just that I don't want to like be in a relationship with someone who does that.
I would feel very uncomfortable.
Yeah. So, bro, like I'm getting to the point where you just have to like think of what to do now.
Yeah. That's a good point to be in, though.
Yeah. We could technically drop it right now, although we would get very awkward.
I don't think it's ready. I don't.
There isn't.
I
No,
don't think it's
not,
ready
not
for
ready
release.
Because it's missing features that casual has, or not at parity.
Yeah.
The badges and the leaderboards. No, the leaderboard needs a big rework. I don't even know if I want to keep it, but I will, just for the people who grind it. I don't want to just delete that.
Yeah.
The points, I'm turning it to XP though.
Yeah.
Just convert that to 11.
Um.
But my idea for XP is that you just you have a level, and it's like it gets harder and harder like to level up. Like some sort of a progression system.
I forgot
And we can
Flint
display
again.
the level. We can display the level in the lobby.
Think, fuck, there's Flint nearby. Or gravel. There we go. This is gonna be a really bad run already. I can already feel. I usually get in the nether by like sub 3. This is already almost sub 5. This is. Hey, I'm allowed to have some fun. I was working for a solid, like, hour and a half already. Oh, damn, okay.
What kind
Maybe-
of module is this? By the way, if anyone cares, there's the whole plan for. If you go on the game page, there's the plan for what we're looking to release on an event on the details page. It's labeled Casual V2. That's basically that's what we plan to release, and it's. I set a tentative date to May 8th, which is in 2 weeks' time, pretty much. So we're gonna aim for a release on May 8th.
Yeah, we're adding a new module where you have to speedrun the entirety of Minecraft to complete it. It's gonna be really cool.
But that's just on beginner.
Yeah, it's just on beginner. Gotta get sub 20.
Yeah, we do need beginner modules, so anything counts at this point.
How do I want to do this? Do I want to play it risky? Probably not. Actually, I probably
It's like a
do.
10 by 10 Rubik's Cube.
That'll take so
So you
fucking
have to
long.
Yeah, you have to solve a 10 by 10.
We just get like Z3 cubing on here.
Yeah, bro. That shit would take fucking hours. And the worst part is that you need to like, you'd have to like click and drag the cube. You can't like hold it in your hands. That's even worse. You have to turn really slow.
Yeah. I might have fucked up that gold block, but whatever, you ball.
Yeah, personally, my muscle memory does not kick in whenever I'm doing algorithms and like PC with this. I'm waiting for the next competition. There's just none.
Netherite! What? Why is there netherite in the bastion?
Wait.
That's not supposed to happen.
No. What the fuck?
I need to take a picture of that. No, that's like really low chances. That means there was a piece of netherrack in here, and like that one piece of netherrack got generated to a
Just go like in it.
that's like a 1 in a million.
Bro.
I got that on camera as well, holy fuck. What the fuck is that? Why? I'm something that's
I knock out.
Yeah.
Should I just? I'll do the badge handler real quick.
I got enough of everything. Alright, F3G, we're going to now... Oh wait, no, I don't need to, figure out where the fortress is. I saw it on my way in. That's right. Yeah, let's go up here. Let's pop in a... I do kind of want to make a couple things real quick. Mainly just iron axe, and then probably some iron legs maybe, yeah. Just do it like that. Throw this out, move this in, and then pearl into a blaze spawner, which is not present in terms of my screen, so we're going to go over here. There we go. Yeah, we can do it like this. It's not a DT seed. I don't. How much? I don't have enough string for. To put a bet here, so
You can see the difference between the ID between the old badges and the ones that I made for like each difficulty, which were made like 7
Yeah.
years later. Like, bro, the first ones were like 10 digits, and now they're like 15 digits, bro. Like, holy shit.
Yeah. I think they definitely changed the way they do their IDs.
They changed it,
Yeah, it's very unlikely that they would have that much badges within, like, especially when badge place existed
After
back
4
then.
years,
So.
to be fair, it's one after 4
Yeah.
years. 4-year gap between.
Bro.
But yeah, still, I wouldn't expect them to have.
I definitely suck at like maintaining health during blaze fights. That's not my my forte.
It's different, no? Oh, so it's just easy in particular, because medium goes back down. What the fuck? It's so weird. Oh yeah, and then hard is really high as well. Okay, they just changed the way they do it then for sure.
Do I have wood? Okay, I do. I was worried. I need to make a boat. Still have only 4 though.
I'm making a dictionary with all the different badges, and then I'm gonna make it so I'm gonna make a method where it takes the string of the name of the badge and just reads. Should be a bit more readable.
Yeah. Alright, that's
So
probably
just-
enough
just
for me to
like-
blind.
A word badge async and like a bunch of numbers. Outside of stream. It's insane.
Fuck, that's not gonna bow die properly. Alright, we got bow die. We make eyes.
Oh, New Year's diffuser. Fucking hell. Diffuse the New Year's bomb. 2020. Oh, those days. We need to do more like event bombs.
Yeah.
We need to use events more, like in general. Like it's really cool because it's like it happened to me on Grace. Like it made me play the game more
Yeah.
because I saw that there was gonna be an update soon after I stumbled across the game. So, okay, I stayed tuned. I stayed tuned in.
Yeah.
It's mainly the reason why I wanted to get the event out earlier.
I love how the New Year's bomb was just me making a purple like ish bomb.
That was gold, right?
Yeah, it was purple. Like it was like a light pink actually. You can see it in the picture.
In the picture, it's yellow though. Am I colorblind?
Oh. Maybe, I don't know.
I don't know. Bro, there's only 500 diffusers.
Alright, there we go.
Game was dead in 2021, bro.
Oh.
Literally diffuse it.
Let's grab the eyes. I mean, definitely not misreading all my eyes. That's kind of annoying, but whatever. I need to go this way. Alright. 177. Alright, so it's decently close. Blocks this way. 40 blocks this way. Yeah.
that's done. So now I make a function, badge handler. We're doing so much of the coding now that whenever I code, like I feel like I have to, like my standards are usually not like really high, so like I feel like I have to be really careful what I type. I don't want to like fuck up anything. Badge handler, award badge. Then let's take badge name.
Alright, we should be in the stronghold now. The answer is no. I somehow didn't go into the stronghold, so we gotta reread. That's fun.
Okay, AI just wrote that entire fucking thing for me. Like, I just kept pressing tab, and it just kept giving me the correct, the correct fucking thing. Like that was literally perfect. Like hello. Be right back.
Yeah, this run's dead. Yeah, alright, no more Minecraft. We're gonna go back. I fucked up the blind. Alright, we're going back to coding. You'll get another Minecraft after I'm done doing something productive. What are the odds of getting a... What are the odds of ancient debris spawning in a bastion? I don't know. Like no one has figured that out. Like I'm so confused. All right, well, let's continue work, I guess. All right. So actually, let me do. Let me go to casual dev, and I'm just gonna go ahead and we're gonna open up. Well, I'm gonna move everything from the current game already that we haven't moved already. So, or the place. And also update event handler to do the thing we need. So let's take timing, put it into game assets. Modules, and then we're gonna put that there. We got timing in here now. Alright, now let's go ahead and
Timing's done.
I'm just kind of putting in timing. Yeah, timing's been done. I that's the reason why I sped run Minecraft. I was doing that as a little like Simon Says is in the game? Cool. It's in. Cool. Wires, that's already in.
Yeah, I ported everything that I could.
There's no issues with wires in like different directions either.
What do you mean?
When you cut it, that's the only thing I'm concerned of is if you cut it, it might play on a. I mean, I tested it, I think, but not
Different
too.
directions. What do you mean? Like whenever it's like rotated.
Yeah. So like let's go
Yeah, like,
on.
no, go test bomb. Do the test bomb. There's like a
Yeah.
bomb with like 8 wires. It looks good to me.
Okay.
You can try it though if you're concerned. If you go test bomb, I made the bomb like only spawn wires on purpose.
Okay.
Because I was testing There's the condition with the third wire on the 6, like on the 6 wires close. You know, the one that says blue or red. It was not working, and I fixed it because it was like the red that you were checking for wasn't the red that the wires are set to.
Oh.
So, so I was like, I was so confused about what happened.
Also, this looks really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and add an XP thing, and then we can add like bomb XP onto the thing, because I'm not too concerned about showing that to the stream, because it's literally just configs. It's literally just all the configs. The main thing I don't want to show to stream is start game. That's it. Start game and a couple other things, because that's just like our actual.
Not super worried about it anyway, but
yeah,
it's up to you.
Did we add? Okay, I'm gonna add this config here. How many points is medium gonna give? Do we have a points list?
It's on casual probably. It definitely is, but I'm gonna hop in there.
Let me see on the wiki. I'm pretty sure Diffusal wiki. Pretty sure they might have it.
I mean, we can just reinvent it. I mean,
yeah.
That might need an update anyway.
Oh yeah. My goal was to re-update the wiki once the update's out.
Yeah, just do that then.
Although, I don't know, bombs.
Just make sure it's like they're big enough differences so that you can just like spam lower ones and like get the same amount.
Damn, the wiki is formatted so poorly.
I mean, it is an unofficial wiki, to be fair.
It is an unofficial wiki that I was just added as an admin to.
Also, there's like some of the ranked stuff is like just misinformation, by the way. So I remember running through that once, and it was like, it's generally good, but I guess.
Oh wait, I probably shouldn't show that before I accidentally leak analytics. Let me move this away. There we go.
Yeah, I'm just doing the badge handler, badge name string, and I need the player. It just tried to. Okay, never mind. The AI is stupid. It just tried to call a word badge sync on local player in a server script. Like, okay.
Alright, I got the numbers here. It's the cash out list. So medium is 35. I'm gonna make it give like I put it on our experience. 35. I'm gonna give medium like 200 experience or something. Because now we have beginner. Points on win. We're gonna make that like easy is okay. Easy is 10, so we're gonna give beginner 5, and then we're gonna give like that like 30 experience, so that you're rewarded for playing harder bombs over time. So what did I have? Medium set to 200 experience. So we'll make like easy like 70. And then easy is 10. Hard. We're gonna give hard like 425, and then points on win is 85. We seriously give 1,000 for brutal win? Holy fuck.
Yeah, to be fair, it is like way harder than any other.
Yeah. Let me actually do extreme first so I don't get confused. Points on win for extreme is 200, and then we're gonna do 850 experience on diffuse for extreme. Well, that's more like double, so let's do 880. And then insane is going to be... Insane is 450 on points, and then we're talking about, like, let's just say 1,920 experience, and then brutal is just going to be the full 1,000 points. And let's give brutal like 5,000 XP. And then let me make a thing, like a handler for XP, because I could just attach that to the game, like the game 1 event.
This should be working, this award badge thing, and I'll return, I'm gonna return false here, just to make sure it's, yeah, award, and then return false. Yeah, okay. This should be working, award badge.
Level handler. We're gonna go level handler. Local or level handler award experience. We're gonna give difficulty string player and then experience number. Now I need to call it as a function. So we need to go to the profile configs, profile template. We're going to call experience is equal to 0. Level is equal to 1.
I think you need the. Do you need 11? I think you can like. You
So
can.
I can do math on the actual XP, but the issue is, I'm terrible at math. Level handler gets experience needed. Player.
I have to do math regardless to be fair, so.
Yeah.
I guess you
Well,
get
it's
it
just
from
good.
overhead.
Yeah, Desmos. We're gonna get a nice curve in, you know. You can't go wrong with Desmos. What's gonna be our function here? Let's open up graphic calculator.
Don't make it too aggressive to where like when you get to a certain point, like don't make it like the OSU level 100 curve, like.
Yeah, I think that the OSU level 100 curve is kind of ridiculous. I don't even think I am level 100. Am I even level 100?
Because like when you get to level 100 and also it's like you need like 1,000 hours to get to 101. It's like stupid. Like it's just ridiculous.
I'm level 93.
Oh.
It should be an exponential curve, but it shouldn't be like crazy.
Make it like diminish, but like not like crazy, like not like crazy diminish.
Yeah.
Should definitely not be linear, because I don't want people like level 1,000 or something like that stupid number. It should feel like it is getting harder. And in the future we'll have more things to like award XP from anyway. Not on launch though.
Not on launch. Fine, I'll call it Y. Desmos, are we gonna craft it? There we go.
Okay, so brutal handler.
Oh, it's because
Range handler.
I'm not out. Let's go so slowly. X to the power of 1/2. No, let's do 1.3 maybe. So like, level 5 is 53 XP. That's way too slow. Let's do 1. Or no, I just realized I am 1.7. I need to increase the number to go higher. Or not? No, I don't. I need to go even tighter. So 2 over like 1.3, 1.7. Level 50 is like 149 XP. 100. I'm trying to make it so you don't get like a level 100 straight off of just like one single brutal solve, which that's
An offset then.
100. Yeah, I do have an offset of 50. Okay, this would make it so level 100 is like. That's still not. That brutal's 5,000.
Level 100. No, level 100 should be like. Level 100 should be like multiple, like several, like I don't know, like a few dozen brutal solves. Level 100 sounds aura, like you don't wanna just give that out instantly.
That will still give it instantly. We could do like 2.
I might change it.
2.5.
Hold on, I might change it. I might change it. I feel like
Level
like,
100 with
too
this
much.
would require 7 brutal solves. I still feel like that's a
It's
little
too
too
little,
easy.
It's way too little. Nah.
Yeah.
I think with okay, leave it like that. I
Ooh.
think I should change.
2.7 would make it. 2.7 will make it like.
I'm gonna change the amount we're rewarding. I want to change the amount we're rewarding. I think it's too much inflation for just coming out instantly. Hold on.
I think I got something that I don't hate though, because this will make 81,000 for level 100. I think level 100 should be 100k to be honest. 100k XP.
Should be a lot. Yeah.
And actually, this is just like not cumulative. This is just its own. That's a right.
Yeah. It's just
So that's already a lot actually. So I need, in order for cumulative, we just need to do like. Let's do this. So I need to do a summation. That's what I need to do.
it's per level. This.
That was per, yeah, that's for a full level.
Oh, okay.
That's, I just realized that, yeah.
Yeah,
Summation
that's
of 100. N to the power of 2 point. So, do we want it level 100 to be like 100k XP in total? Or 100k? Okay. 1.7.
How much does brutal give again?
Right now 5,000.
Yeah, okay. I might have to reduce that, but yeah. I'm thinking about setting it to like 1k, honestly. Because like that is OP, like a. Because level 100 like, feels like it has so much aura. Like you should need to play a lot for that. I like 100k XP for level 100, but yeah.
Yeah, like a 1.72, like something like that. So that summation will allow it for.
Yeah, we'll just do 1.72.
Yeah.
Just do 1. So like, it doesn't need to be perfect.
Yeah, 1.72 looks good.
And you can just do like math.ceiling ceiling or math.floor. floor.
Yeah. So. Local level function local return, local function, return next level. Actually, that should be just a regular function. Level handler. I guess that's technically what we're already doing. So let's just do level number, and then we're gonna do so like one will be, so it's just gonna be like level return level to the or math.pow level 1.72 plus 50. Oh wait, no, plus 50. Local server script service is equal to local modules is equal to local shared or util modules hypercharge shared. Layer. Oh. Player methods should be. No, that's not it. What I'm looking for is saving, or not saving, management, profile methods. Nice. guess we could like charge for like double XP or something.
Yeah, I mean we could. As long as it's not like a leaderboard thing.
Yeah.
We could like add a separate leaderboard. 'Cause I don't want like. Add it
Well,
now.
maybe yeah.
Yeah, I would add it, but like not for the existing points leaderboard. We have to keep that, and make sure not to change that because people have been working on that, so don't like fuck that up, you know. But the XP will be different.
Yeah.
So. I was thinking of like a VIP Game Pass or something that has like it has to encompass like a couple benefits at once.
No, we're going to level handler, get current experience player. I just kind of want to print out that to make sure I'm getting what I need. I'm going to hide this out to make sure. So we're going to do in little handler, I'm just going to go ahead and profile methods dot modify value player why am I typecasting that? Okay, there we go. Experience, new XP, and then I'm going to go to start game, and then I'm going to call that.
Is it saying expected end to close? Oh, there's an end that I did
Yeah,
somewhere.
well, I'm also like in the middle of coding.
Okay.
Game win. We're gonna go ahead and for IV get players get players. And then we're gonna do level handler dot award experience V and like 20. I don't know. Let's just see if that works. I'm just not really gonna do that yet until I can figure out if it works. So we want to bring up our output. What am I doing? Probably testing the entire game. That's what I'm doing. There we go.
Patch handler should be good. I want to see how to apply this now though. I don't want to have to like do a giant if chain. What we just did.
What do we do? What is white again for this? I think that might be No. What is white? I'm really bad at remembering my entire game.
Yeah,
Or
me
our
too.
entire game.
I just forgot everything. Yeah, I'm only starting to remember like some stuff now on
6.
tiles and stuff.
Yeah.
White is I forgot actually. The only thing I remember is like red is 1.
Attempt to perform arithmetic add on nil and number. Why is it nil?
What is?
Modify value. Oh, because it's returning nil. So let's go over to here and then like instead of returning nil, let's return 0 if it doesn't exist. Right?
We do our word experiences here. Okay. We're doing Ivy pairs get players. Okay. I made a function that like awards the whole lobby a badge. I think I can remove that if you're doing that already in there.
There's one time when I was speedrunning Minecraft, I got you know that like ocean like fucking structure, like it's just like the small ocean structure that you get. I got that on land once. It was kind of funny.
Like the temple, like it's like an ocean temple.
Not the ocean, not the like the ones that you would like find like fishing rods in and shit. Where a drown would be.
Fuck.
I don't know. It was like my first ever like few runs, and my friend was watching. He was like, "What the fuck?" How do I? Oh, we need to have a. I might need to implement something for us to just like immediately solve any module or something, or like solve all.
Little button at the bottom.
Yeah, for only like, and I could just use the test, like the developer shit. What am I doing? I'm a little confused.
I'm trying to think how to like handle the win, like the awarding badges, because like, I don't want to have like a bunch of if statements again. But I think I might have to. Especially for like the. Yeah.
5 times, so that's what I'm missing. I'm so bad at this game, I don't even know how to fucking press a button, holy. I like genuinely got jump scared. 3 wires. There is a white wire, so cut second wire, okay. Red and yellow, so that's 2. Or 3. Fun diffused. Plus 20 XP. It adds to the... Alright, and now what if I play it again? Do I get do I have 40 XP? Blue is 7, so that's 8. Oh no, that's fine. I'm bad at math. And button. 4 times. That should be 40. No. I'm still getting 20, which means I'm not properly getting the profile. That's fun. How do I get the profile then? Without... Well, let's look at profile store.
I need to make a badge for beginner. Create badge.
Why did I go to develop products? Data stories. Units are stored in profiles which are asked during an active session. You can to a table profile.data. So let's just do like a print profile.data. Did I do that wrong? I think I did. You got viewers who will never leave the stream. Thank you for staying. Oh. I need to have maybe.
What are you working on right now?
Currently getting kind of like profile wise, like handling XP. So blue is 7, so that's 8. Yep. Attempt to index nil within data, which means I'm not properly getting profiles. That would do something. Why? I am going to do a test on seeing how I get to. This might be something I have to write without the stream. I'm going to be real. And if that's the case, I'll just close the stream because this might be a lot of profile stuff that requires me to open up the server.
Thank you for watching, guys. I guess.
Well, not yet. I'm testing right now.
There's the new beginner badge. Okay, so that should build the badges. And start game. So we should get when you win. Game win.
You'll get the console while I figure this out.
Okay, that works. So it's able to see the profile.
Are we storing the fuses anywhere?
Yeah.
I need to be able to get that.
When's
Just from the profile.
yeah, but there's something wrong with my profile handler, so I'm taking a look at that right now.
Right.
Oh, I just lost connection. Oh, to the module creation tool. Why did that kick me out of the module creation tool?
Change anything?
Maybe if I
Oh.
take the code from the server for grabbing the profile. Because that's just in the local function.
I'm doing badges. Oh, I just lost connection to server as well. What the fuck?
We might be seeing some Roblox.
Yeah. It literally just kicked me out. Yeah. The creation
Alright.
tool.
Yeah, we're probably seeing some service has done. Custom. Oh, that's your badge handler. Badge handler 49 expected when parsing function name got return.
Just gonna do yeah, I have like just written function. I fixed it.
Okay. Green is. Oh, fuck.
That's 10.
10.
In total.
Okay.
In total. Yeah.
This I already know. Pink is 7, I think. So that should be 8. No? Is pink 5? No?
It might be 4.
I don't know.
Pink is 6. Pink
I-
is 6 and white is
okay.
5. Bro, I don't know how people remember this shit. Like, we have to like put
No.
in effort.
Yellow is not a condition, so I think that's down. Yeah. So this is 5. This is 9, so that's 14. No. Dude.
Blue 7.
Oh.
Blue 7.
Blue 7. Okay. All right, and we have an issue. Already loaded in this session. Okay, so it's not that. Profile methods. So how do I get the profile in a different script? Let's do. Let's go to the API.
data sync, profile key, version, profile, or nil. Attempts to load the latest profile version or specified version argument from the data store without return profile, not autosave. And you won't have to call end session for it. Data returned in the profile can be edited to create a payload which can be saved via profile status sync. So my profile key should be whatever I'm passing in here. So yeah, profile store.new should be profile key. Oh, it's store name. What is the key? Probably should look at start session sync. Profile key, and then yeah, that's right. So
This should be turning into get a sync. So if I open up diffusal, I'd use, instead of this, use get async. I don't think there's any params I need to use on for this. No. Oh, let's play add. I don't want to fuck with that. I'm gonna go back to here and then get async. Function, profile, methods, save, profile. We'll immediately save profile.data to the data store when the profile section is active. Profile turns. So only critical moments like relating to a data pro. Okay, so set async is what I want to use. That should work. Maybe. Maybe not. Dealing with fucking profile. Yep. What are you doing? Get profile? Dude, I don't know, man. I don't know. You know more about this fucking module than I do. You're the one who suggested I use it. Genuinely help me out here.
What are we trying to do? Like, what's happening?
I am just trying to...
Like, load data?
Yeah, I'm handling data right now. What is blue?
Like, is it just, like, not doing it? Like, what's happening?
So I'm just trying to make sure that I can actually save the data that I'm doing right now, so that we don't have to fuck over with because like this is the first time I actually have like dealt with saving like profiles from like a profile from a different location than what it was already in. So once I figure that out, we should be smooth sailing. That's not the one I'm looking for. I'm looking for button. If it says no text, click the button 5 times. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then up. And then we got an error. Fuck. Attempt to index nil with data. Profile methods 82.
These are getting errors. Just like silent.
Yeah.
Those are the worst ones. It's annoying when it's like an endless stream of errors though. You fix one error and then the other one fucking pops out.
Profiles, player. What if I print this profile? Well, I'm definitely not returning the right profile. Also, is it just me or is just profile just not look right? Like after looking at it for a bit.
Profile.
Oh. It just feels weird, you know?
I think there's a name for that feeling. I'm pretty sure there's a name for that.
Yeah, I don't know what it's called. Pink is 5, right?
I don't know.
No, fuck.
It's called semantic satiation.
Yeah, whatever
It's a
that means.
psychological effect. It's a psychological effect where repetition or prolonged staring causes a word or phrase to temporarily lose its meaning.
Yeah, that's how it is for me.
That's exactly what it is.
Okay, we got another error. Nil. Fuck! Why am I getting nil? I need help. Furquist, you know more about Profile Store than me. How did you do this? Are you still here? I don't know if he's still here.
Because he sent that get profile thing a while ago.
I mean, I can do some like kind of goofy shit as well, but I don't want to. How do I get a sink?
Let's see. I'll probably look, or like watch a tutorial, honestly. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end the stream here. It's getting kind of,
Yeah.
yeah.
Stream for like 3 hours.
Yeah. Alright, have a good one, everyone. See ya.
Bye bye.
Bye.